Hey guys, Jason here. Hope you're having a great day. Checking in on gold for the last 24 hours. And for those of you who are just tuning in, we are using this vertical bar to indicate the publication time of the most recent video. So anything that is to the right of this bar is information that has come out following our last video. So when we left off yesterday, we had noted there was a 5-minute equilibrium that had formed. We saw it break to the upside before the video actually hit YouTube. A little bit of a bounce test here. Another EQ break right up into this hourly trend line. Now we saw the bulls able to poke their heads above the trend line, come back down for EMA support, make another attempt to try and close above that with conviction. But ultimately that backtest failed, and we have a backtest of a major trend line. It no longer acts as support, right? What's happening here is bulls hit this trend line. There's a resistance. They need to confirm with themselves that it is indeed now a support. When a former resistance does not act as support, often you'll see bears just fall right through it back to the floor. That's exactly what happened here. So we saw our 5-minute EQ break. Our former resistance did not act as support. Bears take over control and push the price right back down. Now we see the bulls coming in again, right in the median point of our pattern, go up for another test. Again, support fails, and we see the price fall all the way down to our supporting trend line. So if we go to the hourly time frame, we can see that we are still in this very, very tight range of chop. And here's our vertical bar. The 5-minute EQ is represented as multiple inside bars. There's our failed breakout, collapse, another attempt, multiple attempts actually here, before ultimately the bears take over, push the price right back down to our trend line support. So we are now right in the median point of our pattern. If we go to the 15-minute time frame, we can see that we are setting a very, very ugly pattern of higher highs and higher lows. So as long as bulls maintain a price above our last and most recent higher low, which is currently 1289.67, they will be in okay control. This will allow them to slowly start marching the price back up. Now, if they maintain this series of higher lows and higher highs, by the time they reach this trend line, they'll be in a better position to break through it with conviction rather than trying to get it on a failed breakout attempt here on this 5-minute EQ that we saw way back yesterday. So that's what the bulls ultimately want to see, is that slow grind so that they are completely prepared and ready to rock when they get an opportunity to break through that trend line. So what are we looking for short term? On the 15, as I said, we need to keep setting higher highs. We want to see bulls get above 1239. We want to see bulls get above 1293 and maintain higher highs above 1289. If they're able to do that and march the price all the way up, close above this trend line, see it act as support, then they'll be well on their way to getting back up to the 1350s. Now, if they lose this trend line support here on the hourly time frame, there's not much support until we get down to 1280. Below that on the 4-hour time frame, things are looking a little bit dicier. Nothing until 1265. So on the upside, if we do manage to get a bull break here, what are we looking for? Let's turn off our auto chart, scale out a little bit, see what we're looking at. No real resistance up until 1309, and then 1325, and then the big ticket, the target being 1350. So we'll check in tomorrow, see how this develops. We have probably how many more days left inside this pattern before decisions need to be made? 1, 2, 3. Probably by Saturday we will have a major decision being made on this very, very tight range, our hourly golden triangle. That's it for today. Thank you very much for the videos. Thank you very much for the comments. That's it for today. Thank you very much for the comments and listening in. As always, have a good night.